Hello guys! I'm here in the aquarium area and ito yung lugar na hinahanap ko, yung maraming tree, tapos I do meditation kahit stress ako. Ayan, laging may abundant day, no? Laging may blessing. I'm here in Abu Dhabi and I just give you some little info about our body na nagmamanifest po yung burning mode natin pag tayo po ay natutulog. So, like, example, 10 o'clock ka natutulog, ng gabi dapat 3 hours to 4 hours na-digest na ni organ nila, pancreas, yung trabaho nila para deep mode ka and healing mode kapag nagtatrabaho na sila para detox your body, burning mode, and like example, kain mo 7 p.m. and try to eat something high protein and high fat. That is give signal in our internal organ na ayan, ang sarap maglakad dito. Internal organ, tas ang lamig, ang sarap ng hangin. Ay, masaya ako. And laging something happened to me. And God always with us, you know. Enjoy our day, kahit too much stress, anxiety. Enjoy our day na anong meron ngayon, no? Anong something make you feel happy. Like, kahit stress ka sa trabaho, marami kang bayarin, no? Nakaasa sa iyo pamilya nyo. And do something like this. You see? Nakarating ako sa lugar na to. Walang ganito sa ibang para siyang ha? Para siyang bundok. Para kung umakyat ng bundok, napakaganda rito. You see how long road we need to go. And back to my info about detoxing, anti-aging. Yes. Example, you eat beef, no? Or pork, chicken, seafood, eggs, and chicken, no? All of these are anti-inflammation, and the best one is beef because they have glutamine, and the glutamine they needs our body kasi yun yung ketones na mag-activate yung signal, nag-aantay lang talaga sila na gawin yung trabaho nila na mag-active, na mag-burning mode, mag-signal mode, and lahat ng disease na yan, yung fatty liver, bloating, cancer, hypertension, diabetes, no, autoimmune disease, and other tumors, yes, mag-heal po yan natural kasi meron po tayong doktor sa ating katawan. Also, pag niluto mo siya, it's good for grill or boiling or steam, no? Tapos kung i-fried mo siya, lutuin mo siya sa good fat like coconut oil, butter, ghee, and you will see it's happening in your body. You will see. Iba yung gising mo, iba yung mood mo, correct your appetite, clear your mindset, kasi na-deliver na nila lahat ng nutrients sa organ and your mind. Your dopamine will be balanced and you will see. And then, you will see it's correct your appetite and delaying aging. Yun ang gusto natin. At saka, magkakaroon talaga kasi mararamdaman mo siya, hindi ka nagugutom, no? Less carbs and high protein and high fat. Yun po yung pinaka-formula. If you know the macronutrient and the low-carb food, dun po kayo mag-focus and you will see. Meron na po akong mga client na nawala yung maintenance nila for diabetes. My son have mild stroke. Okay na po siya, nag-loss siya ng 55 kilo, and I know he will mawawala na yung maintenance niya or mababawasan. I know. Wala kaming budget para magpa-hospital, so we do something alternative holistic medicine. Kaya inaral ko po yung mga acupuncture, basic biology, and what needs of our body chemistry. So have a nice day. Hopefully everybody well, and I wish you good health, good wealth, and free from suffering. Have a nice day. Stay local.